front of me is Motorola Edge 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, tap at the bottom left corner. Then to continue, hit Consent. Tap on this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those options however you want to. Or if you wish to try something else, hit Presets over here and select one of those wallpapers, like for example the reversed one. Select Yes, check it out, adjust its settings, and tap on the top right corner, then bottom right corner, set as live wallpaper, yes, and when you finished, after tapping on set wallpaper, decide where by tapping on one of those options, home screen or home screen and lock screen. Then go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!